Okay, so this is a very strange, awkward angle, but this is what my hair is looking like right now with no condition. I mean, I conditioned it in the shower, but I don't have anything else in it right now. I'm going to show you how my DIY gel works and how well it works. Now, this is what it looks like. It's very runny, very kind of slimy, but it works wonders. So you're going to see kind of how it looks right afterwards. And by the way, welcome. My name is Melissa. I jumped right into it. I'm sorry. I have a few minutes of silence, so I was trying to take advantage. So this is, my name is Melissa. I made some DIY gel, hair gel, and it helps with hair growth, and it's really good for curly hair. Keep the flyaways and the frizz away. And I've just been experiencing a lot of hair loss and thinning. So I just wanted to show you what I use or how it works. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started. So, I mean, this is it. It's very slimy. And sorry, like I said, for the weird angle. I'm in my bathroom and I don't have my my tripod in here. So I'm just going to go ahead, and it's kind of weird. It feels very strange. It doesn't feel like regular gel. It's very slimy, very loose. So I'm just gonna go ahead and you just put it in like you would put, you know, your, more like when you're putting your conditioner in, not really like when you're doing your gel. You want to get it in there. You want to get closer to the root. You know, gel you don't usually put in your, you know, that close to your roots, but this one you can. So already you can kind of tell the frizz has kind of gone away, and it stays like this. I mean, it pretty much stays like this, and it doesn't get really, really hard. You do get some, you know, it gets a little bit hard, but not, it kind of softens out throughout the day. So it's another reason that I like it, because I don't like when my hair is all stiff. So just gonna keep putting it in there. And I'm hoping I can get a different angle once I'm done putting it in, so you can see what the rest of my hair looks like once I'm done with it. Okay, there we go. It's kind of falling off my hand there. So again, I'll put the link in the description box below for the video that I made the gel in. So in case you want to try it, it's really, I think it's pretty easy in my opinion. I've been doing it for a few years now, and I kind of stopped, I guess just because of time. You know, I hadn't had a chance to make it in a while, and I probably should have just kept up with it, because it really does work. And it's better than using all that stuff with alcohol and all the chemicals and stuff. That stuff just really messes your hair up. I'm going to flip this way, so you probably can't see me right now, but I want to make sure that I get the underside of my hair. And if you want, you can kind of part your hair. I just don't have any clips or anything with me right now, so you know, usually I would like part it. I don't even have a ponytail holder with me. So just get it in there. So usually I would like part it and get all in here, you know, but I think I did a pretty good job getting it all in there. Just want to make sure I can feel it all over the place. A little bit more. And then I'll show you like how much I use. It's not really a whole lot. I still have enough probably to do my hair 2 or 3 more times. So just want to make sure I get all of it here. And like I said, it gets a little bit hard, but then it kind of softens up and it doesn't stay that way. And then, you know, say you don't want to wash your hair again, you know, tomorrow, you can just wet it and add a little bit more gel, and you've got yourself, you know, the same look. And then I'm just gonna scrunch it up, because with my hair. I don't know if it's my hormones. I don't know if it's, you know, I'm not getting the nutrients I need, but my curl pattern is changing. I used to have way curlier hair than this. Now it's just kind of wavy, which kind of I'm sad about, but it is what it is. It's not too bad. So I'm hoping that maybe if I keep taking care of it, you know, my curl pattern will kind of return and get a little bit better again. But yeah, you just kind of scrunch it up if you want to. You don't have to. I don't like my hair really big, so just want to get my curls in there. All right, so then that's all you got there. So it looks nice and wet, and I didn't use a whole lot. As you can see, I mean, it's pretty much, you know, about the same. And see, I mean, I'm just losing. This is after I've showered, and I already lost a ton of hair while I was in the shower. So praying that this will help kind of get my hair back to where it used to be. My ponytails used to be so thick, and now my ponytails are about the size of, like, say I was making a braid in my hair when it was longer and thicker. It's about the size of one strand of a braid. So it's really, really thinned out. So yeah, I just kind of chopped it all off, and that's what I'm left with. So hopefully, prayerfully, this will help. Rinse my hands off a little bit so I can grab my phone. Just a second, guys, and I will show you what the back looks like so you can kind of see all of it. Dry my hand. Alrighty, so let's see if this works, if I can do it this way. So yeah, that's what it looks like back there. I don't know if you can tell. There we go. Oh, my lighting is playing with me here. There we go. Can you see it? Yeah, so nice and curly, nice and wet looking, and it stays like that. So that is it, guys. I hope you try it out. Let me know in the comments if you do try it out and how well it worked for you. That is it. Until next time, be blessed and be the reason someone smiles. Bye, guys.